everyone, in this video we are showing how to manipulate dates in SQL. So I've got two videos out there already, one to manipulate dates in Python, another one to manipulate dates in Tableau. And let's jump into SQL and see how we can do that. All right. So right now I'm using PostgreSQL, and there are multiple ways, there are many ways you can do. So you can do basic data arithmetics. Yeah. Let me increase the size here a little bit. This is good. Actually, I can query. Let me do. Okay, I think this is enough. Right, let's do our basic arithmetic. So, let's say you want to add days to a specific date. So, of course, we do our select. There's this current date. You specify the interval. Let's say 5 days. So when I run this, it will add 5 days to today's date. Okay, let me comment this one out nicely. There you go. There you go. So it will add 5 days to today's date. So today is 7th. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. I'm going to comment this one out. Let's do the same thing, but now we are doing months. There you go. When I run this, it will add months it will be 2025 407. It will add 5 months to current day. Another way to do date manipulations in SQL, PostgreSQL, to do date differences. So let's say I have two dates. Let's say order date or age. I need to specify here. Let's say it's 2024 11/07. All right. And then specify the other date. Let's say 2023 random date 07. Let me just do 02 or 07 again. Looks good. And of course, my column here. So this one would tell me the difference between the two specified date that I done. And you can specify, you can also do, let me comment this one out. Extract date paths. So let's say, of course, I'll select, we do extract. We want to extract year from current date. Current date. It will give me the year that we are in, and we can also do the same. Copy. We can also do the same for. Let me put this one to the side and expand this a little bit. Something like this. So my results will be shown right here on the right. So I'm going to comment this one out and this one out so that I can showcase this one. So let's extract month. When I run it, it's going to tell me that we're in the 11th month. Let me extract also day. We're day number 7. Perfect. Let's do also to find the last day of the month. Day of the month. So for the last day of the month, you would need to use date trunc. So select data trunk. Uh-huh. Yep. Month. Current date. Plus your interval. Let's say 1 month. Interval. 1 day. Maybe. Let me just do some spacing here. Last day. So if I run this one, it will give me the last day of this current month that we're coming to. So which is November 30. And let's do also another truncation that you can do. This is similar. This formula is similar to dead trunk in Tableau that I showed you earlier. So let's do select again. Dead trunk. Yeah, we did our month to current date. Current date and close it. And so it will truncate current date to the month. So we're in November. So it will give us November 01. Same thing, you can truncate to a day, to a year, whatever, to a quarter. Let's move on. Like I showed you yeah, in the Tableau video. You can also convert a date to a string, and you can also calculate the number of the difference between dates. So you can calculate the age in terms of years, month, and days. You can also generate a series of dates in in SQL, and also let's do this one. Timestamps. There you go. So select the date trunk. Yeah. Let's say I want to truncate it to an hour. Now we have got this formula. Now looks good. There you go. So it will truncate and round it to the nearest hour. So the nearest hour will be 5, which is 5 p.m. So in a nutshell, those are the key dates, how to manipulate dates in SQL. There's a lot you can do in SQL for you to be able to manipulate data, make sure the data is in the format that you want. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.